Crops are at the heart of our nutrition. Just like our health, they deserve the best care possible. Agro-Nutrition, a specialist in plant nutrition, innovates to meet the challenge of quality agriculture that produces sufficient quantities while respecting the environment. Our nutritional solutions, adapted to the soil, seeds and plants, provide a response to the agroeconomic problems farmers face worldwide. Our eco-intensive technologies are the outcome of 100% French innovation and production. Both our resources and our expertise, scientific, agronomic and industrial, are also 100% integrated. Agro-nutrition meets the challenges facing agriculture today, without compromising the needs of future generations. Agro-nutrition, reveal nature's potential